Hey everyone, this is an unboxing video of the Tavva Solo stainless steel lunch cup thing. Let's take a look at it. So I got this from Amazon and the package came a little bit broken, but it's a stainless steel container, so it doesn't really matter. This one is size large, so it should be large, so it should be able to hold 12 fluid ounces. It's got a sticker on the bottom. Kind of nice, looks pretty. All right, so I'm gonna rip open the side here. So I like that it comes with some stuff. So this is recyclable, which is nice. It's got a limited time offer. That's exciting. And then it comes wrapped in a little wrapping thing here. And there you have it. Here is the container. It's embossed on the bottom. It's got a purpley pink lid that's made of silicone. Seems like it holds on there. Peels off easily. Looks smooth. All right, looks nice. What does it sound like? Sounds like metal. It's good. Let's look at this. This is nice and floppy. And it's got a bit of a lid on it. So let's put that back on. So it's a little wonky to get on there. Let's fill up with water and see how it does. All right, it's filled with water. It's about 3/4 full, or mostly full. Let's put the lid on. I haven't tested this yet. This is its first test on camera. It may not be the brightest idea I ever had, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, it's in my bag. Oh, it actually held on to it. Nice, look at that. That's actually pretty good. How's the lid doing? Oh, still feels pretty solid. Let's try that again. Fine, let's open it up. Yeah, and this test is going to be if I put some ranch dressing and some carrots in here, will it leak if I leave it on its side like it was stuck in my backpack? So let's put in some carrots. Oh yeah, tasty carrots. All right, let's get some ranch dressing in there. That's a lot of ranch. I like ranch dressing. All right, so we got that in there. Now we're gonna put the lid back on. Got the lid on there. And then, let's start this. Start. Oh yeah, I'll shake it up. It's in my backpack. And we'll leave it there. All right, see if it leaks out. Let's give it a shaky wakey, guys. Damn it. All right, it's been 15 minutes or so. Give it a shake. Hasn't leaked yet. Nice, so that's 15 minutes, no leaks. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, oh look at that. That's so much ranch, Jesus. All right, let's see what happens when we put the lid back on. Literally get stuff leaked everywhere. Yeah, so you put the lid back on. As you can see, there's a bit that leaked out. Yeah, so I zoom all the way, or put it back on. And then a little bit has leaked around the outside. So if you take the top off, put it back on, a little bit is gonna leak out of the edge. All right, next test. Let's throw these into a backpack and see if they leak. Shake, 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 shake. And look at that, no leaking whatsoever. These things are rock solid and don't leak at all. overall, the Tavva Solo stainless steel lunch containers, based on the testing that I've done and the unboxing, initial impressions for everything are great, and I'll be happy to take them with me to lunch, and I won't worry about spilling any of my stuff. Thanks for watching.